Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python. As you can see that I have already published an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first. I hope all of you guys know about Visual Studio Code. It is the code editor. Now let me open the project folder which I have already created for Python projects. As you can see that there are no files inside this folder, it is an empty folder. I just opened the empty folder. Okay, now let me create a new file. This is the Python code to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. I copied the code and I pasted it in a new file and I saved the file as app.py. .py is the Python extension. So you can use any other name you want. For example, instead of app you can use the custom.py or anything, but the extension must be .py. You can see that it is getting the input from the user. Print enter the temperature in Fahrenheit, c comma f equal to none float input. We are getting the input in the float method, so we can enter the points, decimals. Finally, we are using the formula. This is the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. C equal to float f minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. Finally, we are printing the output using the print function. Fahrenheit equal to double quotation comma C, Celsius equal to f, right? Okay, sorry, Fahrenheit equal to Fahrenheit for f and Celsius for C. That's it. Now let me run this program. I opened the new terminal. Then I am typing Python space app.py. When I hit enter, it is asking the temperature in Fahrenheit. Now let me 1 Fahrenheit equal to 1 Fahrenheit means minus 17.2222 Celsius. So I am going to input the Fahrenheit as 1. When I hit enter, you can see that 1.0 Fahrenheit equal to minus 17.2222 Celsius, right? So it is working perfectly. That's it guys. I hope this video tutorial helps you to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python. If you want to convert in reverse, for example, if you want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, then watch the video I have uploaded already. I have also given the link on the video description. If you want to receive more videos about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.